I love to make things, and then when I'm finished, what I like to do is grab my camera and take pictures of what I've made. Trouble is, in here, what I have is no blank walls, so I like to fill my workshop up, and it's a bit tight for space. Now, in my kitchen, I've got loads of room in here, but what I don't have is any blank walls. It's all filled with stuff. What I need is a photo backdrop that I can set up and then pack away when I'm not using it. What I have is a full sheet of 12mm plywood. What I'm thinking I can do is get this cut down into 4 pieces and use those as backdrops. Now, I don't want these backdrops just to be sheets of plywood. I want to get some colour on there. So I've had a little rootle around in the shed and I found 4 different tins of paint. So now I'm going to get each side done with a different colour. Right, paint's dried on these and I've got 4 colours. I've got a black with a white and I've got a grey with a green on the other side. Now, I could just lean them against the wall, but what I'd like is a way for them to stand up on the edge of the bench I have in the kitchen. So I need to make some kind of support for them. What I think I can do is make a little channel for these to slide into. And what I've got is a couple of scraps of OSB. These boards are 12mm thick plus all the layers of paint on either side. So I'm going to need a bit to go between these bits of OSB so this will slide in snug, but not so snug it will remove the paint. I've got this thin strip of wood which I think will be perfect. So I'm going to cut 3 bits of this and then I can get them put into place. Right, I can complete my sandwich with the second bit of OSB and get these locked together with some screws. Right, simple little thing done. Let's take it in the kitchen, get it installed on the bench and see if this is going to work. So my plan was to get this installed the back of the workbench flush with the top, but it's not as easy as I thought because the back is not completely level. It has a little lip, but I've cut down some little packers that should fit in there perfectly. So I'm going to get this now screwed in with the packers behind. Right, let's grab a backdrop and see how this is going to look. I can now get this board slotted into place. Oh yeah, it's going to stand up nicely. So it can go like this in kind of a landscape orientation, or we can stand it up on its end, portrait, if we've got something bigger and taller to photograph. Right, let's get the camera out and see if we can take some pictures. I think this is going to work really well. So I've got 4 different colours and I can flip them around. So really there's 8 different setups. Benches on casters, so I can pull it out if I don't want the light window behind. Yeah, it'll all pack up nicely and won't be in the way when I'm not using it. So in future, at the end of my videos, you should see some nicer photos of the things I've made. So thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.